Ratio and proportion. Introduction of ratio. Examples of comparing. Subtraction method. Division method. Concept of ratio. Something important about ratio. Ratio and proportion. One day, Siddhant went to see cricket match. In the match, Sachin scored 40 runs more than Yuvraj. Mrs. Sharma decided to purchase a car, but purchased a bike because price of car was 8 times greater than price of bike. Miss Neelam is younger than Miss Pooja. In above examples, we compare runs, price and age. We can compare them with the help of signs like greater than or smaller than or equal to. If we don't want to use signs, we can use two operations, subtraction and division, to compare. Subtraction gives us a difference between greater number and smaller number. For example, while comparing age of Miss Neelam and Miss Pooja, we subtract age of Miss Neelam from age of Miss Pooja because age of Miss Pooja is greater than age of Miss Neelam. This method is called subtraction method. In second example, price of car is somehow compared in the multiple of the price of bike. We can compare such value by dividing them. The answer of division is quotient. Hence, this method is called division method. Remember, while comparing quantities or values, the differences of these two subtraction are not same. Hence, results are different. The quotients of these two divisions are not same. Hence, results are also different too. Concept of ratio. We have seen the examples of prices of car and bike. We compared two quantities in terms of how many times. This comparison is known as ratio. A ratio is another way of comparing numbers or quantities. The way of writing ratio is 8:1. We denote ratio using the symbol is/2. Some important points about ratio. Two quantities can be compared only if they are in the same units. The height of this giraffe is 3 meters and height of Pinky is 120 centimeters. Can we compare heights of both? No, because units of their heights must be in same unit. Means height of both should be in meters or in centimeters. The fraction 2/3 means 2 out of 3. This is not same as 2:3. 2:3 means 2 parts for every 3, or can say that 2 out of a total of 5. So that is all in this topic, student. Maths is fun, so keep learning.